Hello students, as the DC exams are near, so we are going to discuss some important questions that may come in the exams. We are going to discuss on the subject DEC 1 Organizing Child Care Services. These questions may carry 10 marks. So our first question is, discuss the significance of play in the development of a child. Give examples for different domains of development to explain your answer. Play has an important role in children's development. It leads to discovery and learning, fosters imagination, and helps to develop social, emotional, physical, and language skills. Play is the best medium of learning for children because they enjoy it. In play, children learn by doing and this also helps to retain their attention to one activity. During infancy, it is only through play that learning takes place. The different domains of development are as follows. Play promotes cognitive development. While playing with clay object, the object falls and breaks into pieces. The child learns about it, that how it broke, how what happened to it, why it broke. So these are the answers that the child learn from it. So second point, they learn that the child is able to handle challenging tasks not too difficult through play. The child playing with some toys, then he is bored with it. Play provides opportunities to examine, explore, find out answers to their questions. Discuss questions, discover and learn for themselves, understand the reasons. In play, children have freedom to choose things which interest them, will choose neither too difficult nor too easy. Challenging and interesting learning becomes pleasure, burden. Play allows the child to learn by doing. Now, this was the first point, that the play promotes cognitive development. Next point is that the role of the caregiver. This doesn't mean that when the child is allowed to play, that means there is no role of the caregiver. There is a very important role of the caregiver in it. That is first point. That is the second point of your question, role of the caregiver. The fact that children during their play does not mean that the caregiver has no role in helping children learn through play. Children can ask more questions from the caregiver as about the breaking of the clay toy. She helps children understand their discoveries. She tries to extend the child's discovery. The caregiver create opportunities for discovery. She can take the children to zoo, creating things for children. She collect pen, paper, plastic items, container, so that the child can put them in it. In water play, the caregiver can provide container of water and assortment of things, some which float and some sink. About light and heavy object, it comes to know that how the object float, how the object sinks, and whether the object is light or heavy. Even the caregiver can plan structure activities in such a way that lead to discovery of color, shape, festival, etc. The caregiver can create and plan activity. All concepts can be taught through play. So our next point is, third point, play promotes imagination and creativity. So through play, the children come to know how they can imagine what and how they can do the different things with different way. In play, children imagine what it is to be like someone else, to feel like, act, think, work and behave like them. For example, when the child is playing like a mother to a doll, she tells the doll that she cannot get a sweet because it is harmful for her. Next point, make believe is a part of children's play. In play, it is possible to be creative and to do more than in reality. A broken plate may become a table for a 3 years old girl and complicated spaceship for a 10-year-old child. A matchbox can be a train. Play does not have to be a mirror of reality. Rather, it provides a flexible situations which allows the child to be creative. It nurtures imagination, which helps the child to deal with the day-to-day situation. Play promotes physical and motor development. Physical development and acquisition of motor skills depend upon the maturation and opportunities to practice both gross and fine motor skills. Example, a 4-month child roll over her mother to take the thing that attracted him. Or when children balance on bricks, jump, climb, steps, doing anything with hands, the coordination of their large muscle improves. Next point is point number 5, that play helps in acquiring language. While playing, the child learns how to speak, what things are called, their name. So, playful interaction with caregiver give the child plenty of opportunities to hear the language and motivate her speech. Pre-reading and pre-writing skills are learnt during these activities. Play helps in fine motor development, which is required for writing. Our 6th point is, play helps in learning to be social. Play helps in learning to be social. Daily interaction helps the infant to develop sense of self. During play, the infant begins to understand the effect she has on people and objects in the environment. Exploring gives her confidence and feeling of independence. Learning to share follows rules, taking another's point of view, imitate adults, learn adults' roles, and appropriate behavior. Learn about different types of occupations, festivals, traditions, and beliefs. Next, 7th point is that play helps in emotional development. Play provides opportunities to express emotions, permits expression of feeling and emotions which may not be allowed in other situations. Example is, pretending to be the father, the child can ask another child to obey her, which she may not be able to do in other situation. The imaginary play situation gives the child to express his anger, love, sadness, happiness. Play helps in academic readiness. Play as a means of understanding children's development. Play provides information about children's abilities to level of understanding and personality traits. So this was the 7 points we discussed. That first point was, play promotes cognitive development, role of the giver. Play promotes imagination and creativity. Play promotes physical and motor development. Play helps in acquiring language. Play helps in learning to be social. Play helps in emotional development. So these were the 7 points that was discussed, that how play play an important role in the development of the child. So if you like this video, please subscribe it and share it. Thank you.